What's up guys, it's me Eric B, and a lot of you out there have a GoPro or some sort of action camera that you want to put on your helmet so you can capture all the action. Now, there are different styles of helmets out there that make putting a mount on a little bit more difficult. So, how do we get a mount on the helmet that looks clean, is sturdy, and it looks like it came from the factory that way? Well, check out chin mounts. All right, first things first, before we get started, let's go ahead and break all the contents out of the bag and see what we have here. All right, so my specific mount is made for the AGV Corsa and Pista. So this is the helmet specific mount. And then I also have a GoPro attachment. And it also comes with, looks like some sort of tether to have extra security on the helmet. I'm not gonna use this at all. And we get alcohol cleaning pad. All right, so here is my AGV Corsa helmet. I went on ahead and took the visor off just so it's not in the way or anything while I'm trying to do the install. And basically what you want to do first is take your mount and you want to be able to kind of line it up, see where you want to put it and everything, make sure it's in the right spot, it's not covering any vents or anything like that. And then what you want to do too is you may want to take your GoPro and put it on there and actually see you know, where it's at with the GoPro on there. So I'm gonna run and grab my GoPro and do that now. All right, so I got the GoPro on the chin mount. We're gonna test it out, see where we want it. Kind of just line it up, see where you want it and everything. Make sure all the clearances and everything are right. That looks about right, looks pretty good. All right, so next you wanna go ahead and get your alcohol pad out there. You wanna take the front of the helmet, clean it up nice and good, get all the grease and dirt and grime off the front of there so the adhesive sticks to it quite nicely. Go ahead and let that dry for a minute. You can even take a blow dry or something. Help blow that off quickly. All right, and then sometimes you may have some trouble pulling this backing off of the 3M adhesive here. So if you do, go ahead and use the blow dryer and heat that up. It'll help it get it off a little easier. And peel that off. Oh yeah, made it a lot easier to peel off. Okay. All right, and just be careful when you're putting it on. Then line it up, find out where you want it there. You don't want it right about there. Even if you don't have it all the way on there, guys, and you make a mistake, you need to realign it, don't push it on all the way. Just get it on just enough so you can kind of see where it's at and then readjust. All right, I think we got it where we want it. All right, and then going ahead and apply pressure for about 30 to 60 seconds. It doesn't have to be that long. I would say about 30 seconds should be enough. Just kind of move it all around, apply pressure, make sure the sticky part of the mount is on there. All right, and there you have it. Chin mount is installed. See different angles here. Looks good. Now, like I said before, if you guys want to use this little lanyard and everything to give some extra security to your GoPro, that is on you. That's your money, it's your GoPro, you do what you want. I'm not gonna use it for mine, but just know that that is there. All right guys, real quick, I just wanted to show you the differences between the mounts. As you can see, the GoPro with the Sugru doesn't really look that clean, doesn't really look that good. I mean, it's strong and sturdy, it works, but not really what we're looking for. And if I show you the Corsa with the chin mount on there, as you can see there, that is a nice clean install. It looks good. Looks like it came on the helmet that way, and that is what we're going for. All right, pretty straightforward and easy install, guys. I hope this video helped you out. And if you're looking to get a chin mount and you're wondering where to get it, I'll leave the link down in the description below, and be sure to use my discount code. But until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.